tutorial, I will show you how you can quickly change the leaves color from green to, let's say, blue or anything orange or anything else, and that can be done very easily. So leaves color from green to, let's say, blue or anything orange or anything else, and that can be done very easily. So but before we go any further, first of all, I would request you to please do follow me on Instagram and on my YouTube channel. So you can just follow me on or subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Harshvardhan Art, YouTube/C for channel /Harshvardhan Art, and you can visit my website harshvardhanart.com, and there are lots of free actions, presets, overlays, and most of them are free. Only few of them are just paid so that I can support myself. Alright, and I have lots of tutorials on my website, so you can check out those tutorials. I write different blog articles as well, so you can check out my blog harshvardhanart.com. Alright, so let me see. Alright, so now this is the image which we are going to take, and we want to suppose change this color to something else. And for this purpose, what we have to do, we have to just come over here on the channel mixer panel. So we'll click on the channel mixer, which is this one. This is the channel mixer adjustment layer. So once this is created, so over here you have some properties. So we have to select the blue channel, and in the blue channel we have to put in some settings. So for the red we have to put in -50, and for green let's say 150, and for blue let's make it 0. Okay, and if we see our image now, we have quickly changed this color, and you can see earlier the color of the green leaves was green, and now it's blue. And if you want to increase its saturation, what you can do, you can just experiment with this color, or you can come over here, click on the vibrance and increase the vibrance and saturation a little bit, so that way we get more of the saturation in the leaves. And suppose if you want to change this color to something else, so what you have to do, you have to again select this channel mixer adjustment layer, and then go to the adjustment layers and click this hue and saturation adjustment layer, and then what you have to do, you have to clip it to the underlying layer. And for that purpose you can press Alt or Option and click on these two bit lines, or you can simply press the shortcut keyboard, and that is Control Alt G or Command Option G, and that would clip it to the underlying layer, and that is the channel mixer, right? And thereafter we have to change the hue of this color. So we can just either pick this hand picker tool and click anywhere to select that color, and then with this hue slider we can just change it. So we can change it to any color we want. Okay, we can make it red, and if you want you can adjust saturation from here, and the lightness, whether you want it to be darker or lighter. So all you can do very easily with the help of this option. Otherwise you can just, without picking the hand picker tool, you can just select the channel cyan or blue, and that way also you can quickly change its hue and saturation. Right, so that was the manual way, and you have to spend a lot more time, but I have created an action to do all of these steps. Let me press Ctrl G to group this together and turn this off, and select this background layer, and you can download this action. And once you download this action, that would be available on my website very soon from here. So you can visit this harshvardhanart.com/shop-2, and this would be a free action. So what you have to do, you have to then go to the Windows and select Actions, and this action panel would be opened, and then you need to click on this hamburger menu, which is over here. So once you will click over here, and then you need to select the load actions, and then you need to browse the folder, and you will get this kind of a action file .18 file which you have downloaded. So you have to browse the downloaded folder or wherever you have downloaded that action, and then you need to select the load, and that way this action would be available over here. And the name of this action is change leaves color harshvardhanart.com. so this is the action. So thereafter what you have to do, you have to open this folder and select this action. This is the action, and then you need to click on the play button. So let me show you by clicking this play button, and boom, and you can see it's going to show you the message. You can change the color of the leaves by changing hue of cyan channel from hue saturation layer, and thereafter you need to press continue. So if you are happy with this color, that's fine, but if you want to change this color to something else, then again you have to come over here in the hue and saturation layer. This is the hue and saturation layer, and then from here this master channel you need to select the cyan, and then you can easily change its color to something else, whichever you want, and you can adjust saturation, lightness and everything else. So isn't that easy? So you can save a lot more time. So if you want to download this Photoshop action, go ahead, download it. This would be available very soon. I would try to make it available today itself, but at least by tomorrow it would be available 100% on my blog harshvardhanart.com/shop-2. so this is the shop, or you can come to my website and click on the shop, and you will see there are lots of actions, presets like dose and burn actions and skin smoothing action and different actions and different overlays which are absolutely free. So you can just utilize them, download these and use in your editing and save a lot more time. So let me see if you have any question. I am online. If anyone of you wants to ask me a question, you can ask me. So I think you don't have any question. All right, and bye bye, see you in the next live stream.